Hi everyone, this is Idea Mela. So in this video, I would cover an interesting short videos contest by CRPF, Central Reserve Police Force. So as part of their 88-year celebration, a legacy of service and loyalty celebration, the Central Reserve Police Force, in collaboration with MyGov, that is my government portal, invites citizens across India to participate in the short videos contest on CRPF. So the last date is 27 July 2026. The contest provides an opportunity for participants to creatively showcase their admiration, gratitude, and appreciation for the Central Reserve Police Force and its invaluable contribution to the nation. Through engaging short videos, participants can highlight the value of service, loyalty, courage, sacrifice, unity, and nation building that have defined CRPF throughout its distinguished journey. So, this initiative aims to foster greater awareness about the role and contribution of CRPF while encouraging citizens to express their perspectives, experiences, and tributes through creative storytelling. So the contest seeks to celebrate the enduring bond between the people of India and the force, while honoring the dedication and commitment of CRPF personnel in safeguarding the nation. So you can participate in this contest and join the celebration of 88 years of glorious legacy of the Central Reserve Police Force, that is CRPF. So important note on artificial intelligence generated content, which is not eligible. So that is a great thing that you need to note. So the use of artificial intelligence tools to generate, create, or sustainably produce content submission is strictly prohibited. So you won't win with AI submissions. All entries must be participants' original work and reflect their own creativity, effort, and expression. Any submission found to be wholly or partially AI generated, AI assisted to a significant extent, manipulated using generative AI tools, or infringing upon originality requirements shall be deemed ineligible and may be disqualified at any stage of competition. So the decision of the organizers will be final in this. So this is already been communicated here. So after that, you can actually submit entries to the competition. That is your original submissions. So don't submit AI generated submissions, that will be rejected and you will not win. So the first prize they are offering is 30,000 rupees. Second prize is 20,000 rupees. Third prize is 15,000 rupees. There will be a merited award of 37 winners. Each will be given 5,000 rupees each. Okay, so that's a great opportunity for you. So you can go ahead and submit it. So to submit it, you just need to create 1 or 2 minute video on CRPF, share the video on social media, tag CRPF India, submit the video link on MyGov by pasting a link here. So some of the people have already submitted, as you can see here. Some of them got approved. So if you found this video useful, please do leave a like and subscribe for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much.